Never trade sideways because when the price is oscillating or sideways, for the general, there is nothing to trade. In this way, always stay in cash. Today, the price open with this red candle, so green candle above the support, and the whole day the price was oscillating above the support. In this particular day, when the market stay sideways, the best way we can do is watching, watching what the price does and take note and never force a trade because if you force a trade, what do you think what will happen? You're gonna lose money. Simple than that. For that reason, the best way is sit down, watch, take note, and that's it. And not force a trade. Um, this is a short video. One more time. Don't force any trade when the day is sideways.